Hi guys, happy Friday night. Well, on my way home from work today, what happened on me? This bolt here sheared. Where's this bolt come from? Well, it's the upper front hub arm that basically goes in just here. Now that bolt is sheared inside the hub, which goes into there. So currently, on my Friday night, I'm trying to remove that stud. So let's see if we can get this sorted. Right, so what we're doing, got a hacksaw in there, we're cutting the bolt top and bottom to try and remove it. Before anybody asks, I have tried a stud remover, disc's not coming off, that's seized, haven't got the access, so I've managed to drill through, get a hacksaw blade in, so I'm going to cut it and hopefully knock the original bolt out. So guys, 3 hours later, the offending item, this bar right here, bolted back up there, and it is bolted back up here. As you can see, I've had to use a few washers. Thread's a lot longer than it needs to be, but that's in nice and solid. Basically, just to fix it for now, to get me back on the road, I've had to pinch one of the rear E30 bush bolts for the rear swing arm, but that's back in, and now I'll just show you why it's taken so long. So that was the offending item, that bolt just here, which holds that top arm into the hub. As you can see, it's sheared off, so that's the rest of the thread that goes into the hub. So 3 hours later, I've finally managed to get these bits out and get another bolt in. It's not an ideal solution, but it gets me back on the road, as I've said. So I tried a stud extractor, that didn't work. So basically I've had to cut it into 4 pieces and then remove the thread individually. That's allowed me to get another bolt in, get the arm back on and get myself back on the road. So basically, in the long run, I'm going to be changing that hub, replacing that bolt, replacing that arm. I'll probably do the rest of the bushes, get the 4-wheel alignment done. But for now, I'm happy that's got me back on the road. So, hoping you're liking the content. That's my little Friday frenzy. There are all the tools I've used. Hopefully we'll be back on with some BMW content once we've got the unit sorted. But yeah, that was my little Friday. 3 hours that took. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.